Okay guys, I'm here, and here's a packaging unboxing, whatever, of www.bbts.com. I got a package from them. So let's see if I can open this without cutting myself. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, my cut is gone. So yeah, right down the middle. There. Cut on the side. Cut it on the side. Okay, I'm done with that. And I unveil it. Ooh, a little invoice or something. Mini mates. Ooh, nice. Wow. Okay, got that done. Yeah, my paintbrush. Now move you guys back. And let's see if I can unbox this. And it comes with an invoice and bubble wrap, which is kind of tinted. Bubble wrap. It's actually good. It's actually cool. Keep it. And they have bubble wrap surrounding the thing. Wow. Actually nice. It's nice. That is nice. So I got the wow. Look at come on. Move the packaging out of the way because that is nothing anymore. But let's just put you guys into normal scale like that. Oh shoot! This is another bubble wrap. Put that there. And here is the Square Enix Play Arts meal. It's nice. Got some pictures here. They have Noble 6 too in June. So yeah, expect a review on this. Okay, bye.